So what we're going to do, attach it to the drill. We are going to tighten it up. That's it. When you hear the clicks, that's it. I'm going to test it out. Oh, the power's not on. The silly. That's it, it's working. So this is it. How easy was that? That took, what, a minute or less than a minute to mix that? And to get it really, like, in the perfect consistency. So I'm going to use a brush. Going to wipe off all the excess paint from in here. So once I've wiped off all the excess paint from the power paint mixer, I'm going to dunk it back into the paint tub filled with water. And that way, what it does, it prevents the paint from drying on the power paint mixer. So there, taking it out. Let me put this to the side. And then very, very quickly, I've got this from IKEA. This is like £1. It's meant to be washing for dishes, but it's really good, as I'm going to demonstrate, for just cleaning the power paint mixer. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but you just have to get rid of the excess paint, and that's all it is.